Oh, what was life like? It really was getting more limited and more limited as time passed. There were a lot of things that I could no longer do. Couldn't cross my legs, couldn't draw my legs up to sit Indian style on the couch. Distance was difficult. I had to be very deliberate about going to the grocery store and the things that I bought, the size of cart I used, because I had to be able to push it back out. Had to make sure that one of my boys was home to bring the groceries in, because I wasn't going to be bringing them in. It was all I could do to get them out of the store and into the car. Standing at the stove long enough to cook a decent meal. If it wasn't for the walker I was using at the time, those last couple of years, somebody else had been doing all that, because I needed to rest often. It made work a little bit difficult. As a substitute teacher, if I was in the back 40 of the building and had to escort the kids to the bus, they were on the bus and the bus was almost out of the parking lot by the time I got up to the bus line. But it was amazing how many things you no longer did because you physically could not do them.